Hello, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we'll be making a red vodka pasta, so let's jump right into it, and these are the ingredients you'll need. 2 tablespoons of vodka, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 to 4 garlic cloves, 500 grams of penne pasta, 1 red onion, half a cup of coconut cream, half a cup of tomato paste and a 1/4 cup of normal cheese. Before you start, don't forget to turn the pasta water onto a medium-high heat. Grab the onion and garlic, mince the garlic and dice the onion and put to one side. Once the water is boiling, add the 500 grams of pasta. Then turn the temperature down to a medium-ish heat. Once that is done, leave it to begin to simmer and leave for about 10 minutes or until you're liking. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the wok or hot pan and mix it together until the onion is a transparent or caramelized look to it. Then add the tomato paste and the chili flakes to the mixture and mix until the paste is a dark red. At this point, strain your pasta and make sure you try and save about 2 cups of the water. Now back to the sauce, so add your 2 tablespoons of vodka and mix it in, scraping the bottom of the pan. Then add 1/4 cup of pasta water along with the coconut cream. Then add the 1/4 cup of Parmesan and mix thoroughly together. Add the remaining cheese to the sauce and mix until it is thoroughly mixed in. Then add your pasta and carefully stir it into the mixture, and that is it. It's done, and all you need to do now is serve it up and top it with a herb of your choice. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a subscribe and hit the bell icon to make sure you're always up to date when a kitchen or gaming video is released. Also, head over to the Kitchen Gamer Facebook page to show your take on vodka pasta.